Hi, my name is Maura Galitelli. I'm 25 years old and I come from Basilicata, but I currently live in Cormano, a small town close to Milan. I graduated with honors at European Institute of Design in Business, Event Communication and Public Relations in 2013. I've been a work-oriented person. That's why I have always tried to be independent since I was 19. My first work experience brings me back to 2007. I started as a waitress for a catering company in Milan for 2 years. Then I worked at Euroflora as an assistant for interior design studio in 2010. During my study, I also worked on the side as a hostess promoter. My last and most relevant experience was in 2013, where I worked as a project manager for the event Hipsteria, Ascolti musica jazz perché nessuno lo fa, at Teatro Franco Parenti in Milan for the Little Christmas Sunday Park, where I have been involved in the assessment, planning, implementation and control of the project. I have a good knowledge of English, and to be more precise, I have B1 level of English. Regarding my skills, I have working experience about Microsoft Office package, such as Word, PowerPoint and Excel. The same with Apple I work, such as Keynote and Pages. I basically use software for photo editing and image processing. I am a hobby-driven person. I enjoy swimming, reading books, traveling, cooking, and I'm addicted to social media. Talking about my career development, I would love to work in the world of communication, in particular in the event industry. I would like to turn my passion into my job. If you had any question or comment, feel free to ask me. In my CV you will find all my contact details. Thank you for your attention. I'm really looking forward to hearing from you. Best regards. Bye.